Have you ever thought that pro-level video editing on mobile is way too complicated, or your phone isn't up to the task? What if I told you that the device in your pocket is actually a mini editing powerhouse? So many people glance at Microsoft Clipchamp and dismiss it and think it's just a mobile video editing app that's just run-of-the-mill. Today we're not just scratching the surface, we're digging in. We're going to uncover ClipChamp's mobile video editing secrets that will help you turn your raw clips into videos that people just can't scroll past. I will show you those little clever tricks to speed things up and make your video content pop. You're in the right place. Get ready to discover the hidden gems and pro techniques that will have you video editing like a pro super fast. Go to the Apple Store and type in Microsoft Clipchamp and then click to download, and once it's downloaded, enter your email address. I've registered with my Outlook account. Start to get things ready for you. Agree to all the policies. Then you've downloaded Microsoft Clipchamp onto your iPhone. On your iPhone, do a search for ClipChamp. Then, once you've found ClipChamp, go down to the bottom, go to New Video, select your photo videos. Once you're in there, you can tap on the plus sign to add a video. Once you've tapped on the clip, you can also edit it. So I've just tapped on the plus sign and added another video. It's down the bottom, you can see fit or fill. You can move the video around with your photograph around with your fingers. You can see the grid lines there, which are useful. That's Mouse, the rescued dog from Bulgaria. If you go down onto the bottom menu bar to projects, once you're in projects, you will see all your listed projects there. If you tap on the three dots over on the right hand side, you can rename a project or delete it. So you can see me renaming the project there. And then once you're done, just tick the over on the side and you can see the project renamed. If you tap on the timeline, you can move it. You can tap on one of the clips on the timeline and expand it. You can move the timeline, you can move the player, the image in the player, the video in the photo player. You can expand it, contract it. Do all that with a few pinches of your finger. So you can select fit. You can flip it horizontally, vertically. You can rotate. So on your iPhone, you might want to record a piece of music and add it onto your piece of video track. So you add an overlay and then you select the music. So I'm going to show you here how you do that. If you go to the link up above, it will show you how to record on your iPhone the screen and whatever's playing on there. So if you've got a music track, just be aware of copyright. If you watch further on in the video, I've got some answers to questions that I've found in vidIQ, things that people ask that's important for when you're creating your ClipChamp videos on your iPhone. Menu bar, tap on the little triangle on the end if you haven't got it, and then tap on overlay, add overlay, select the video you want to overlay. You can then move the overlay around with your fingers. You can move the position of the overlay on the screen as well. So you can move the overlay on the top. So if it's positioned there, you can move it with your finger further along. In ClipChamp, go down to the bottom, the left-hand corner, and then tap on audio. Then you've got the music menu. You can edit the music, the volume. So you can tap on the clip, you can adjust the volume, you can split it, you can replace it, you can duplicate it to make it longer. So if you duplicate it, the actual video on that timeline, you can have it running for the whole length of the video. You duplicated it too. In ClipChamp, third from the left, on the top menu, you can see voiceover. So if you tap on voiceover, select your bit of video, photograph footage, and tap on next. Tap on the record little pinky red button. Move the bit of footage to however long you want if it's a photograph. Down here you can see voiceover, so you can record your voice. Once you've made your recording, stop the video. And then you can move the recording with your finger. ClipChamp, go down onto the bottom menu bar and then tap on text. Once you've tapped on text, you can overtype whatever's in there. I'm just typing in editing videos. Here you can see different types of text. Change colour, the font size and stuff like that. The font type, bold, italic, backgrounds, there you can see a background. Shadows you can use when the text templates there. So you can really make it eye-catching for the viewer of your video. In ClipChamp, go down to the bottom menu bar and tap on the triangle on the left hand side if need be, and go to text to voice. Type in whatever you want to type in.
Edwine don't mind if I do.
Tap on preview. It will
Red wine don't mind if I do.
Record what you typed. Then
Red wine don't mind if I do.
The track with your fingers if you want. Ways to get into Auto Captions. First way, go up to the top left hand corner and tap on Auto Captions. Then select your video. There you can see the language and the font type. You can make your selection from there. Right, this is a video of me showing you how to create auto captions. Then you can move along and tap on the top blue boxes and edit it. So you can see the edit keyboard there. So I'm going to remove California. Right, this is a video of me showing you how to create auto captions in ClipChamp. Play it back and quickly and easily. Now you've done that, if you want to, you can go to Auto Captions along the bottom on the menu bar. So if you make a mistake, you can always tap on undo, redo. So where my assistant is showing you now, walking along, you can see where the arrow's pointing. Tap on a split in the timeline to add a transition. So once you tapped on there, you've got all the various transitions you can apply to all, or just singly to in between two clips on your timeline. So I'm going to add a circular transition. You can see it running there. So as I said earlier, you can apply to all or to individual clips. ClipChamp. So in ClipChamp, if you go down the bottom menu bar to filters, tap on filters, select your filter. You can apply to all or just select the filter for the one particular clip you're using. So here you can see a neon background here. I've changed that to Old Western and I've just applied it to the one piece of video clip that I've got there. You go into ClipChamp. So you go third from the left, you go into effects. You see all the different effects in there. You can apply to all or just apply to one clip. So when you're ready, tap on the effect. So we tapped on the flashing effect. to tap on the tick to apply it. And I've tapped on the glow effect as well. So we're going to add another effect now. So we've gone into effects again. This time we're going into VHS to make the video look older, more grainy. Go onto the bottom menu bar and then tap on speed. Adjust the speed. Once you've adjusted your speed, it will affect the audio, so be aware of that. You will see the clip on the timeline shorten or lengthen according to the speed that you've set it at. On the left hand corner, if you haven't got it, you tap on there. Then you've got on the bottom menu bar fade in, fade out. You can adjust the timing of the fade in, fade out. And here we can see it playing there on the timeline. You can see the fade in, fade out. So you tap on the arrow in the top right hand corner. And then you export with the highest quality. Leave it to render. Then you can save it to wherever you want. You can save it to your photos, wherever you want. One question people ask, can you change the aspect ratio in ClipChamp on the iPhone? No, you can't, not at the moment. Not the making of this video, but I think they're working on it. Another question is, are they going to create ClipChamp for Android? This is something they're looking at. You can work with ClipChamp on the internet if you register an account with them, but on the iPhone it kicks you out. It's not a great way of working, so you can't select the aspect ratio because the application automatically detects the screen size. So ClipChamp for producing videos on your phone for shorts is a great tool for doing that.